또 망한 적이 없어. Tornado warning!
Advisory remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time Monday. Areas of freezing drizzle will continue across portions of northeast Oklahoma this evening, with light freezing drizzle developing across northwest Arkansas overnight. Scattered areas of light freezing rain will likely develop across northeast Oklahoma late tonight into Monday morning. Ice accumulations a few hundredths of an inch will be possible, especially northwest of Interstate 44. Portions of northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas until noon Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts, slick spots on untreated and elevated roadways can be expected. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Prepare for possible power outages. In Arkansas, for the latest road conditions, call 1-800-245-1672 or go to adrinearakansas.com. In Oklahoma,
Those cases are
for the
way
latest
worse
road
than
conditions, call
Tulsa.
1-844-465-4997 or go to oakroads.org. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXN92 in Harrison, Arkansas, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service forecast for Harrison and the surrounding area at 9 a.m. Monday. Freezing fog will lead to a light coating of ice on mainly elevated surfaces. Some bridges and overpasses will become slick, as well as less traveled roads. Boone, Marion, Newton, and Searcy counties. Until 9 a.m. Monday. Impacts, hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility and icing will lead to slippery road conditions. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Also, be alert for frost on bridge decks causing slippery roads. This is a special weather statement for the following counties. In Arkansas, Boone, Marion, Newton, and Searcy. Light freezing drizzle possible. Temperatures across portions of northwest and northern Arkansas are expected to remain at or below freezing through Monday morning. Freezing drizzle may occur across portions of the Ozarks, leading to a light coating of ice mainly on elevated surfaces. A few bridges and overpasses could become slick in spots. Use caution if traveling across these areas through Monday morning. This is a winter weather bulletin for the following county. Carroll, Arkansas is 25 below zero. Heavy snow will occur with additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches on top of what has already occurred. This will bring total snow amounts to 5 to 7 inches with locally higher amounts possible.
Oh my god.
Where portions of southeast Kansas and central, east central,
SGF
south
tuned it.
central, southwest and west central Missouri. When, for the wind chill warning, until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. For the winter storm warning, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts, plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commutes on Monday. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Kansas, road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Repeating, a winter storm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday for the following counties. In Missouri, Berry and McDonald.